Hey everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to change the colors on your Squarespace site. So this is pretty simple to do once you're logged into your kind of admin here on your site where you can edit your site. Then go ahead and go up here to the right hand corner and click on Site Styles. From here you can first change the theme if you'd like, and so this changes the font, the colors, the styles, and as you can see this changes everything. But if you want to keep your same theme and just edit just the colors, come down to Colors a little bit below that. Click on that and you can select a color palette that is preset and pre-made. Now again, if none of these suit your needs, you can customize this even more by clicking Customize, and you'll see all of the color themes for this color palette. So what is a color theme? A color theme is applied to sections. So for each section on your site, it will have a color theme, and within that color theme there's a bunch of different styles for different elements. So let's go ahead and click into Light 1, since it appears every section on this page has the color theme Light 1. So we'll click into there and you can see there's colors assigned to all of these different potential elements within a section. So for example, section background, if I want to change this to blue, all the backgrounds should change to blue on this page, because Light 1 has now been changed to blue and all these sections are assigned to Light 1. I'm going to change this back to gray because the blue is pretty ugly, and I'm going to change one of the sections to a different color theme, and so you can see how you can use multiple color themes to make your site a little more dynamic. So go to the sections and click Edit Section, go to Colors, and then you can see all the themes you can select. I'm going to select Darkest 1, and now we can go edit the colors on Darkest 1 if we'd like by clicking into Colors, Customize again, and then click into Darkest 1. And from here, let's say we want to change the section background to blue again. We can do that, and it changes only the sections which Darkest 1 is assigned to. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.